Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 22 white hybrid enclosed trailer with a platform on your roof. This trailer does come with a white screwed exterior as well as black stone guard across the bottom and tip of your V-nose. There's a ladder on your passenger side of the front of the V-nose. We have our jack coupler and safety chains at the front. There is a full observation deck up top with a 12-foot section for viewing and an overall 22-foot platform itself. This trailer does have a 10-foot enclosed area and a 12-foot open utility portion. This trailer does come with dual 7K axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. The utility portion of the trailer does have 4 tie-down points as well as pressure-treated wood flooring. There is a bifold spring assist loading ramp. This trailer does come with LED brake lights. Your bifold ramp is held by a latch system. There are stone guard teardrop fenders. Coming to the enclosed portion of your trailer, there is barn doors as well as a bar lock. Coming to the inside of our trailer, there is an 8-foot interior height as well as a 30 amp AC and electrical package. This trailer does have 2 LED strip lights as well as your AC unit at the top. We have our barn doors from inside the trailer as well as the light switch for your lights. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 22 hybrid enclosed trailer. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.